Well, I was at a store and I had an entire shelf display fall on top of my head, which caused a herniated disc in my neck. It caused me to have headaches, which I still do all the time. Well, before I had a closed head injury, I could basically do whatever I wanted. I was very involved with step aerobics, boxing, all that kind of stuff. I was always on the go. I was like the Energizer Bunny. So when that happened, and I was affected by all of this, what I just realized now is, you know, there's days I can do things and there's days I can't, and I just have to, you know, understand that I can't overdo it because that'll cause me to go into a relapse, you know, and I've already gone through all the therapy to help me get better. I heard about Buckfire Buckfire through my family, actually. My attorney was Robert Lansing that I used. He has a team of people that he works with at Buckfire and Buckfire that what I liked the best was they all bounced off of each other. You know, with all their different cases that they handle. So it's kind of like a meeting of the minds, and you are hiring one attorney, but at the same time you're getting a group effort. He didn't miss anything. I mean, there was no surprises when we went to court. Everything was thought out and planned very well. Every time I had a question, I'd call up. He'd get back with me right away. He always knew the answer, you know, and if he explained it in a way that I didn't understand, he would just keep explaining it until I could understand exactly what. Sometimes legal terms and layman terms are a little bit different, so he was really good with that. God forbid I'll have to go through any of this kind of stuff ever again, but if I did have to do it all over again, I would definitely hire Buckfire Buckfire to represent me. They made me feel so confident and comfortable going through this whole process that anybody who has an injury such as what I had, I would always recommend them to go have Buckfire Buckfire represent them because they did a phenomenal job.